In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email automation workflows in HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through a simple path that gets you from the main HubSpot area to an automated email flow, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you know why each click matters and what to look out for. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account and that you have permission to work with marketing, emails, and workflows. If you're part of a team, it's a good idea to coordinate naming and folder conventions with your teammates so everything stays tidy later. Start by opening the user guide section inside your HubSpot portal. Think of the user guide as your launchpad. It brings together guided tools and links that keep you oriented as you build. If you're new to the interface, keeping this page bookmarked can save you time because you can always hop back here to find your way to the next task. Next, click on Email. This takes you to the email home, where you'll see drafts, scheduled messages, and performance at a glance. Pause for a moment and confirm you're in the right area for the type of communication you plan to automate, such as marketing emails. If your account requires verified sending domains or subscription types, HubSpot may prompt you here. Take note of those alerts so nothing blocks delivery later. Now click on Create Email. You'll land in the email composer, choose a template or start from scratch. Then set a clear subject line and preview text that make the purpose of the message obvious. Keep your copy concise, personalize thoughtfully, and make the primary call to action unmistakable. As you design, use the preview to check how it looks on desktop and mobile. Save your work frequently so you can reuse the email in different automated scenarios. With the email ready, click on Automated. This routes you into guided prompts for building a simple workflow. You'll be asked to choose a trigger and an action. For example, you might set an action to move an email or record when a message is received, or send an automatic reply when a specific keyword appears. Pick the option that matches your goal, then fine-tune the conditions and timing so the automation only runs when it should. Review the summary, the prompts display, and confirm the details are correct, including recipients, exclusions, and any delays. Before you rely on it, send yourself a test and double-check links, personalization tokens, and formatting. Clear names, clear logic, and a clear goal will make the automation easy to maintain and measure. That's it, your path from the user guide to email to create email and finally to automated. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, reliable workflow ready to go.